It's July 13, 2023. Working on the wheelchair ramp more today. Got some concrete poured, not all of it. It's a lot. And have to mix it all by hand. So let's go look at it. Alright, so we've been mixing it there. We probably went through 2 tons just of the aggregate. And this is how the step turned out. Right here. The landing down here. With 1 step down. And then right down here we'll fill that up with dirt. So the step's about 7 inches. Like this step, that's about 7 inches. Okay. So that white spot right there on the corner, I don't know what that is. Some water dripped on it or whatever, and it's like staining it, so I don't know what to do, but sometimes stuff like that happens. It's okay for a landing for a wheelchair ramp. And then right here I'm working my way down here, working on the little mow strip. It's still pretty wet right here. So I'm out here kind of finishing it off tonight. That's a little dirty, but that all gets covered. I'll scrape it off tomorrow, and then that gets covered. So anyway, that still has to be poured. But I thought it would be nice to strip these forms off in here and then pour it, because this section is supposed to be lower, 1.5 inches. So it'll be easier with the forms off. And then that's the little support for what the walls are going to go under there. And then working my way down, this is all the stuff we still have to pour. Okay, still got to pour all this all the way down here, all the way to the landing for the other stairs. Okay, and that's the little deck. So this morning I got the rest of the posts on, and I got them hung. They're all on the string line. So I think everything stayed where it should have with my string line. So let's go up here and look at it from up here so far. See how I've got it braced into the house. And then I got all my posts on the string line. And when we pour the rest of that, I could take those braces off, keep building the ramp, put the railing on, and then put the handrail on. This right here is handrail. I'm gonna put it up there on the brackets, and then I'm gonna have a welder come and weld the sections together. So it's gonna be pretty nice. There's my dad down there, and we've been mixing the concrete today. So stay tuned for the next video.